Be free.
Hi, I'm Marisa du Toit. We are at Art Assembly at Imhoff Farm in the beautiful Kommetjie. This is an art studio where we do different kind of creative workshops, pottery classes for adults and kids, and then we also have beautiful art on the walls that are for sale. I started my art journey when I was still in school. I think I was about 16 years old, where I went to the Huguenot Kunstschool, and we had lovely subjects to choose from, and I did ceramics and photography and absolutely loved ceramics and continued with that, up until now. So I work with clay. I'm a ceramicist. I love getting inspiration from the natural beauty around me, this beautiful place that we live, all the beautiful things that I pick up on the beach, shells and sea sponges, and when we go camping on the weekends, beautiful mountains and rock formations, and that's my inspiration. So in the mornings I work here by myself, making sculptures and the things that I love. So I was doing ceramics all the time, but here and there I took breaks when I had my kids, and I decided to be a full-time mom. And then as the kids got older and I had more time, then slowly I got back into the ceramics, and I've always just absolutely loved it. Then lately, now that the kids are bigger, I'm like, I have more time and I want to just do more. Okay, so we moved into this space about a year and a half ago, and it came by chance because I was on a holiday in Spain and I came back that evening, and my friend, which is now my neighbor here in the art studio, and she was like, Marisa, there's spaces opening up on the farm. Do you want a space? But you have to decide tomorrow. You have one day to decide. And I was like, oh my goodness. And I was like, I just jumped because I was like, if I don't do it, I know I'm going to regret it. So I was like, okay, I have this beautiful space where I can do my ceramics, but what else can I do? And I just absolutely love the creative community and connection with people. And I thought, well, I need to collaborate with other artists. And what a lovely way to have their art in my space, making my space beautiful, and having beautiful art on my walls. I actually met John a few years ago. He was doing a little workshop here on Imhoff Farm at another space, and absolutely loved it. And then last year I asked him if he would like some work in my space. I think we were getting ready for First Thursday, so we do First Thursdays every month, and I asked him if he'd like to exhibit, and he said yes, and since then we're always chatting and collaborating. I absolutely love having John's art up on this wall, especially here, because people walk past my studio and they'll see this big beautiful piece, and I can see how it grabs their attention, and they're like, wait, what was that? And they walk closer and I can see it drawing them in, coming closer, looking at all the details. It's awesome to watch people noticing his work. I love John. He is such a friendly, kind person, always happy to help and collaborate. He's got like wacky ideas. I love his wacky ideas. I love listening to him and fooling around and talking about crazy things we can do, and is also, I find him inspirational. I love how he can talk easily to people. He's really good at drawing people in, having a conversation, collaborating with other artists. We get all kinds of people Because we offer classes, we have kids coming in and out and their parents, and then being in the Deep South, we get a lot of tourists. This farm is a beautiful place for tourists to come and families, so we get people from all around the world. Ja, Afrikaanse mense is altyd lekker om iemand te hoor Afrikaans praat, want die area is nogal baie Engels. So as ek Afrikaans hoor, is dit altyd lekker. Ons kry Hollanders en Belgiërs en dan praat ons ook lekker, ons verstaan mekaar baie goed. I love that the clay comes from the earth and it's this beautiful, malleable thing, and then we make something and fire it and it becomes something completely different and permanent. And also it's working with it, it's so tactile and it brings me so much joy and it quiets my mind. Going through a difficult time or overthinking, I know I just need to get my hands into clay and I feel a lot better. I think the Deep South is a really special place. Absolutely beautiful, and we live a very nature-based lifestyle here. We have the ocean close, we have the mountains. I feel like we're always out and about. Our kids walk to school, they walk with their surfboards to the beach. We have a lot of freedom. It's like small town living. It's not the hustle and the bustle of the city. Everything slows down when you're here. My kinders het soveel vryheid en kan stap skool toe en fietsry in die strate. Ons lewe 'n ongelooflike lewe hier in Kommetjie. I'm definitely closer to nature. I walk my dogs on the beach every single day. We pick up beautiful shells and little skeletons and things on the beach. On a Monday at 5 o'clock we have the Kom run. People run 5 kilometer circuit over the Kopie down by the ocean. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Every time I drive to Scarbs, I'm like, what? I can't believe I live here. It is absolutely gorgeous. We have a lovely, creative community on Imhoff Farm and also then in Kommetjie. And we have amazing artists and we're all friendly and like to collaborate and work together. If you want to see absolutely beautiful art in a peaceful, natural setting, this is the place to be. Kommetjie has amazing artists and art galleries, and this is definitely one of them to visit.
If you like what I do, you can support independent storytelling by buying me a coffee. Please follow the link in the comments section.